Hello viewers, today I'm going to tell you how you can record your computer screen with the help of this hidden feature. For this, type Xbox Game Bar in the search bar. Open this. Now go to Setting and click on Capturing. Now select All. Go back. Now open the file or app you want to record. Now click on Capture and click on Start Record. You can see the box appear here. You can see the recording time. Now you can do whatever you want. Now if you want to close the mic, you can click on here, turn microphone on or off, and if you want to close the recording, tap here. Now to see where the recording is saved, press Window key plus J and click on Show All Captures and click on the folder icon here. It will take you to the recording folder. You can copy or cut from here and paste it on the desktop. Now that's how these features help you to record your screen. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos.